Kamusta? Ako nga pala si Patrick at ngayon ay pagpapatuloy natin ng Silent Hill. So last time, hinabol tayo ng pug. Pug? Pug ba tawag doon? So, escape from the pug monster. Escape from the pug monster. So, halos kinain na ng pug monster itong parte ng mapa na to. And buti nakataas tayo. Kahit 3 beses tayo namatay. Flood control. Very well, very well. Maganda ang pagkakagawa. Sinong foreman na ito? Sino contractor nyo? Bandage. Bandages coated with ointment used to stop bleeding. Okay. Application is taught in all local schools. Okay, so major health.
ここどこ
What is this place?
急いでサクコのとこに戻らないと
I need to get back to Sabakudo. Sabakuko? Ay. Pinagtripan na ulit tuloy si ate. Gasol! Okay. Dead end, man. What? Nagbago yung layout, man. Or hindi? Hindi. OA lang ako. So, ayun, Egdan pala. Kala ko nagbago yung layout. Dahil, red capsule. Tumutunog yung kahoy sa bahay niyo, man. Ah? Tama. Yeah. Big brain move.
誰
Huh?
シュウ
Di ko nakita. Di ko nakita kung sino yun. Sorry. Nakita niya si Shu. Jump scare? No?
シ
No
ュ
jump
ウ
scare?
リンコ
Ring ka ma? Hello? Bubong. Kaya baldean na ba? Sige, baksak niyan. What the hell? Patay ka, Ring. Patay ka, ano. Ano kasi yung gawin ko? If you dodge before an enemy attack lands, you will for perfect dodge. Ano Ida-dodge ko lang.
来るな
Eh! Okay, takbo. Alam mo ba, girl? Mamamatay ako. Asan? The hell? Oh, fuck. Dead. Dito. Capsules. Ay, wala na yata. What the hell, man? Ay, may stamina yung dodge ko. So, the hell? Hindi ko na-expect yan. Pundido na ilaw nyo. May daan din doon. So, yung daan doon ay papunta doon. May sikreto dito. Okay. I wanna check that out, man. Ano ba bumakit dito? No? Wait, katama na natin yan. Baka may something. Hello? Yeah. Red capsule. Local doctor's note. There are cases where patients see an improvement in their symptoms not by taking medicine but rather by simply talking to a doctor. The cause of this phenomenon lies undeniably in the trust fostered between practitioner and patient. Conclusively, the promises who have been trusted since ancient times perhaps could be said to contain a similar power to that of the local gods here. May narinig akong something dito, so... What? What? Hindi ko makita. Ayun! What the hell? Kaya nyo ba umakyat? No? No, bahala ka dyan. Balok dyan. Put down. Okay. First time natin papasok sa bahay. Hello?
どなたか
Ikadakimasu. Tama ba? Ikadakimasu sa bata. Okay. Automatic yung pinto nila. Cabinet. Parang bandana. Ito. Wala laman. Ito? No? Okay, try natin sa taas. Buksan ko ba itong pinto? May patay na manok. Ano? Hindi siya patay na manok. Examine. Maskara. Bloody key. Imagine mo, gumalaw yung mukha, no? Biglang gano'n. Ay, kailangan ko ng shrine. Gusto ko lang mag-save. What the fuck? Hello? What? Baka nandito yung susi. Susi. Wait. Okay. Go. Fuck! Bye-bye. 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 When using a restorative item, you will not be interrupted by normal attacks. What?
きっと役に立つ。
Wait. Chill. Oof. You will not be interrupted by normal attacks. Okay. Pero saan ako pupunta? Kailan ba natin lumabas ulit? Galing tayo dyan eh. Oh, may daanan dito. Oh, okay. So, wala natin pumasok talaga. Oh, fuck. Hagdan? No? Ay, baba. Kailangan natin sa taas. Oh! No! Okay. Bloody hell, man. It's... Oh. What? Chill. We're safe. Ooh. Dito muna ako. Safe space. Oh, shit.
ここはまずい。
No, this is not good, man.
シュウたち無事だといいけど。
Silip muna tayo, silip. Wala. Basa muna. Nishida Rinko. She's really put together, but can be a little inflexible in how she does things sometimes. Once she set her mind to something, that's it. And recently, that something seems to be clothes, passion, and other womanly pursuits. Rinko once confessed to me that she had a crush on Ishu. I told her that I was all for it. But if she can't get used to the idea of rolling around in the dirt and catching insects for fun, she might have a tough time. Ay, dami na natin red capsules at so far hindi pa tayo nababawasan ng buhay. Pwede ba dito mag-alay? Pwede ba dito mag-pray? Sa cat gods, meow meow. Wala kayo dyan. Okay. Nag-abang siya doon. Daanan na natin. Wala tayo choice. Ay! As dyan. Nadaan ako. Ay. Pad control, pad control. Okay? Oh, wrong way. Yeah, midaan dito. Nilagpasan ko lang siya ng bahagya. Anticomb. Comb? Comb. A small hairbrush specifically made to be used in religious ceremonies. A type of offering. Yields a great deal of faith when enriched. Okay. Pray. Yun. Oh. Save pile. Oh, thank you. Thank you. So, some offerings not only recover health and sanity, but can also be exchanged for faith at Hakora. Use faith at Hokora to fully restore your sanity. If you have chosen story as your action difficulty level, then you can recover both your health and sanity without using faith by visiting a Hokora. So, since story mode tayo, di natin kailangan yun. Use faith to have received authority to indicate Onomori. Gets. So, offer natin to. Yeah. We receive faith. Then, draw tayo ng Omamori. Omamori clam. Decreases enemy line of sight. So para siyang power-ups. So, ay, save progress muna tayo. Okay. Ang ganda na muna mga kapatid. Dahil hindi kaya to ng puso ko. Like nyo na agad para meron tayong part 3. And, damn. Scary game, man. So, hanggang dito na lang muna. At salamat sa panonood. Chicken Beer out. Power. Thank you.